You and me. You and I. You can do more better. You can do much better. I have a good news. I have good news. She cooks good. She cooks well. I'm much tired. I'm very tired. He plays tennis good. He plays tennis well. I forgot my keys at home. I left my keys at home. I don't sure. I'm not sure. There were 2,000 people. There were 2,000 people. I'm afraid from heights. I'm afraid of heights. I started playing basketball. I started playing basketball. I'm in vacation. I'm on vacation. You wanna learn English grammar? Download the Lolo Speak app.